What I would be looking for, like actually, let me get back a step. Um, I've been on about for a while about this idea of the shift from imperative to declarative computing. Okay, and just to redefine what I mean by that, imperative computing is the idea that the computer's a tool. I have to know why I'm going to do something. I then need to know what I am going to do, and then I have to know how to do it, right? And so the imperative bit is the last bit. I have to know which buttons to push, which code to type, like what tool to use, and so on. I've got to know all of the steps about how to do something. But generative AI and sort of this current generation of AI in general unlocks this thing which I refer to as declarative computing. All right, and what that means is the interface between the machine and the human has changed fundamentally. So now I still need to know why, and I still need to know what. But what I end up doing there is like now I express my preference to the machine, and the machine works out how to do it. So the imperative layer, that actually, the kind of button pushing and so on, is actually done by the machine. Now we're not quite there yet. We're on our way to this, but this shift from imperative to declarative computing is profound, and it's a profound change in the way humans interact with machines. And that's going to affect everyone, not just software engineers. That's going to affect how everyone interacts with machines. All sort of knowledge workers that are interacting with machines now are going to end up in a world where what the real skill is knowing why, first of all, and then working out what to do. And that what is like, what are the right questions to ask? So from a software engineer's point of view, what you end up then doing is you have this collaborator, this intelligent collaborator that you're working with, and you're working out, you're agreeing with it about what
Hmm.
to do, and then it goes and does it. So if you're a Muppet and you don't know what to do, it'll agree with you and go and work out how to do something completely insane, right? But if you know what you're doing and you can have that collaborative conversation and work out what to do,